you bet I'm a trendsetter too. I feel the heat, fire when the strobe hits you.
Hey friends, it's Emily and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you several Easter DIYs that you can do at home that are pretty quick and easy and also inexpensive for this upcoming Sunday. Also, I know that not everybody celebrates Easter, so I thought that these would just be like also some fun springtime ideas for you to do and to give to your friends as well. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY candy basket, a peach, I meant a peep flower jar. A peep flower jar. Also some of these little mini s'mores kits that are really cute as gifts and favors, and also these Cheeto carrots, including hot Cheeto, which are obviously my favorite because I love spicy food. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, please keep on watching and let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so for the peep s'mores, you're gonna need some graham crackers, some peeps of your choice, chocolate, pillow boxes, and also labels if you want to add some to your box. So to begin this DIY, we're gonna assemble the pillow boxes by folding one of the ends in like so, but we're gonna keep the other end open to fill it up with the goodies once we have finished folding all of the boxes. And then when one of the ends is folded, it should look something like this. Alrighty, so moving right along to the graham crackers, I'm just gonna take all of them and break them in half like so. Now with my chocolate bar, I'm just going to break my chocolate into columns since it is an extra large chocolate bar, but if you want, you can definitely use mini chocolate bars if those work better for you. So the last step before we start assembling our s'mores kits is to just remove the peeps from their packaging, that way everything will be ready. So to finish off our s'mores kits, I'm going to be placing 2 graham crackers into the box, followed by a piece of chocolate, and finally our peep marshmallow. And then after that, all you have to do is close the other end of the box and you're basically done. Now, if you want to spice things up a little bit, I'd suggest adding a cute little label to it. Mine read, "Wishing you peeps and happiness," which I thought was really cute. Now, I know that sticker paper would have been much better for this, but I didn't have any, so I'm just using some tape to adhere the message. And once the message is securely on, you're done! So for the next DIY, you are going to need a ceramic pot, a styrofoam ball, some peeps, lollipop bags, lollipop sticks, and some paper stuffing. So to start off this DIY, I'm just going to be taking a peep and a lollipop stick and pushing the lollipop stick up the little peeps, but kind of like a bunny enema. Oh my god, the nursing student in me is dying right now. And once the peep is secured onto the stick, I'm just going to put it into the lollipop bag and secure that with a twist tie. I use these twist ties that were golden because they came with the little lollipop kit that I bought, and I thought that it added a really cute touch as well. So for the twist ties, I'm just going to twist them around and make sure not to leave any excess hanging off. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my peeps. So now that all of my peep pops are assembled, I'm just going to go ahead and start placing them into the styrofoam ball, that way they can start making the flower arrangement. So I discovered that it was kind of hard to put them in just on its own, so I started taking like unused lollipop sticks and sticking them in first and then putting the peeps in, that way it would be easier and the marshmallows wouldn't get as smushed. So just keep adding peeps until the flower pot looks full, and after that I'm going to hide the styrofoam ball by adding the paper stuffing in between the peep pops. Also, don't try to make it look perfect because the more naturally placed the stuffing is, the better. You can also use this time to finalize and rearrange the peep arrangement if necessary. And once you are finished with that, you are done! For the Cheetos carrots, you're going to need some Cheetos of your choice, some green ribbon, and also some piping bags. First, I'm going to open my Cheetos bag. Comment down below if you love hot Cheetos too, oh my gosh. Then I'm going to take the piping bag and fill it 3/4 of the way with Cheetos, and then to finish it off, I'm going to add a tiny green bow using the ribbon, and then I'm going to snip off the ends of the ribbon to make them more sharp, and then we are done. our last DIY, you will need several boxes of candy, a nerd's rope, or a Laffy Taffy rope, and some paper stuffing and some tape. So this DIY is fairly simple and self-explanatory. All you're going to do is assemble the boxes of candy into a bigger box, that way this will act as our Easter basket, and then you're going to want to tape down the boxes together. So for this, I know that I should have used my hot glue gun, but the cord didn't reach the power outlet, so I resorted to using tape. However, the tape did hold up pretty well, so it is a great alternate option if you don't have a glue gun. For the handle, I'm just going to start by manipulating the nerd's rope into the shape that I want it to be, and then I'm going to tape down the ends to each side. Once the handles are adequately secure, I'm just going to add the paper stuffing, and then we're done. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I spent a lot of time brainstorming ideas for this over the past week, and I hope that it was all easy for you to understand, and these DIYs were easy to follow because I found them pretty simple, so I think you guys will too. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. Anyway, that is it for today's video, so thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!